This is just a quick video just to illustrate how I use a combination of three tools: LinkedIn Sales Navigator, LinkedIn Helper, and Snowio for prospecting and actually to approach finding the right customers and the right targets, both via email and via LinkedIn. For me, LinkedIn, for my market, the LinkedIn is the key, is the cornerstone, but there are ways of starting at other ends. So the first thing is, and these are all paid services, but paid at the basic or the lowest rate. There is possible to upgrade. So you can't do this on the free version, but you can, with a little bit of money, you can do all of this. So the first thing is I'm in Sales Navigator, and for example, I'm looking for training providers in South Africa, small to medium-sized ones. So I have selected the filters, and I save the list. So you can, so I have a list saying training providers South Africa with about 3,500 results. So let's have a look at what I can do with those results. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to LinkedIn Helper. That will help me collect the profiles from that search and, if possible, identify their email addresses and move them into Snowio. So what I have, LinkedIn Helper has this function that it will it will collect the profiles from a search navigation page. So yes, yeah, we need to stop the campaign running while that is collecting. Okay, so LinkedIn Helper is looking for my page in Sales Navigator, and here is the list that I have saved in Sales Navigator, and I'm just going to go and start collecting. And this will take a while, so I'm going to stop here and I'll show you what happens to the list after. So this is the third part of the process. My LinkedIn Helper campaign has harvested profiles. I've got it in a campaign list now. So I actually have a list of profiles that I've moved from LinkedIn Sales Navigator into LinkedIn Helper. So I can use it for two different things. One is that I can start running LinkedIn Helper to like these profiles, maybe follow them, eventually contact with them, etc. So I've got a list. But what the other thing that I can also do is LinkedIn Helper will see if it can find emails for these people and actually move them into a third tool that I'm using called Snowio. So that what it will be, it doesn't affect my LinkedIn activities. It's using quite possibly a database that various people like me have collected over some other ways. So a LinkedIn Helper will give you some credits quite generously. So I'm going to be consuming my credits using up looking for email addresses, and if we find them in LinkedIn Helper, we're going to move them to Snowio. So again, I'm going to start running that, and then I will show you the final bit in Snowio. So what it's doing is looking up each individual profile, and then it's trying to locate an email address for that person, but not that is registered in LinkedIn. It's not affecting your it's not affecting your LinkedIn activity. It's using a separate database. This is the final piece of the jigsaw. My digital prospecting sales automation. So we are now in Snowio, and I actually have a list from LinkedIn with 2,600 contacts in it. So what I have done is I have moved the prospects that Linked Helper found. They moved them into Snowio, and now I can use these emails to email these people, as well as contact them in LinkedIn via LinkedIn. I have to say, Snowio has recently launched a function that will kind of combine the two things. So far, this separation with Snowio and Linked Helper is working better for me. It's too early to put all my eggs in one basket, but just to say that Snowio has a LinkedIn function similar to Linked Helper. The only other thing that I want to say is that Snowio has its own database. So if I wanted to look for similar companies, but from a different aspect, it will also offer me prospecting. So I can go and see, I can do their own database search and again add them. Now, if I already have that contact, then I haven't gained anything, but generally it will be looking at different contacts and different things, so you can broaden the scope. It is also possible to do it the other way around, to look up those prospects' LinkedIn profiles and feed them back into Linked Helper. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to manage two separate activities. One, an email-based one is another LinkedIn-based one, to maximize the prospect, the impact that I can have on the prospect. Snowio again charges you for consuming email lookups. Again, just need to buy more credit if necessary. So far, it's three separate systems, orchestrated together, working really well in conjunction, making the most of what is available in LinkedIn. I hope you find this